Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a campaign in BREVO, all right? It's actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now in here, type in app.brevo.com/campaigns, like so, /listing. All right, once done, just hit on enter and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and make sure to log in if it asks you to log in. All right. And here, to be able to duplicate the campaign, we have the campaign name right here. If you want to review if this is the correct campaign that you want to duplicate, click on it to review it. If this is the one, go back. And once done, go ahead over to the three dots. All right. Click on it. And here we have duplicate. Okay. Just click on duplicate, wait for it to load. As you can see here, we now have two sample campaigns in here. And the duplicate got copy, all right, or _copy. If you want to duplicate this newly created duplicate, just click on three dots once more, hit on duplicate, and it will be named _copy 2 times, all right? That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.